shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello Team Bella and welcome to the channel. It's me, your girl, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, back with another plan with me in my classic vertical happy planner. Before we jump in and I show you what I have planned for this week, a few reminders. If you enjoyed the video, show me some love. Give me that thumbs up. Also, comment below what is one thing that is common throughout all of your themes. And by themes, I mean spreads. So every spread, what do you always use no matter what? Besides, if it's stickers like me, colorful boxes, that's my thing. Every spread will have colorful boxes. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to join me and the other members of Team Bella, we would love to have you here. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget about that notification bell. And to Team A1 from day one, hey ladies, what's up? Thank you so much again for all of your support. All right, so we're gonna jump in and we're going to be planning the last week of May, and June officially kicks off the very first week of summer. How exciting is that? So I'm gonna kick it off with a feel-good spread that gives us all the colors, not all the colors, but hot pinks and greens and everything. So this week I chose stickers from Live.Love.Posh's sticker book, and also colorful boxes. And colorful boxes 3, some of these quotes came from there. So we're gonna put this down and see how it turns out, and let's get started. Smooth this over just a little bit. All right, I'm excited because I really love the color of this spread. So I'm gonna start with putting this Find Your Fire quote here in the sidebar. Okay. And then we're gonna grab our colorful box and layer it pretty much right on top of this. Okay. And then we'll get this plant that kind of sets the tone for the rest of the flowers or the rest of the spread. So we're gonna come up here. We're actually going to bring it into the colorful box just a little bit. I love it. All right, so what I thought would be neat is if we came through the middle, because I'm traveling this week and I'm not gonna be at home, so I've been trying to get more decorative and put down more stickers with my spread, so this is right on theme with that. Okay, I'm just gonna, these stickers are kind of like tearing. They've been on this wax paper for a couple of weeks now, so at this point, at least 2 weeks. By couple, I mean 2. All right. And I don't know if I want to come through and actually white out the lines. I don't know. That's a thought. What do you guys think about that? Shall we white out the lines? I'm just excited to be using this color scheme. I think it's so pretty with the pinks and the blacks. All right, so we have this. I think it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and continue it all the way over. So this sticker is one big sticker, and what I'm gonna do is try not to tear it, putting it down. Okay. I'm gonna make sure the whole entire sticker makes it from this to the planner. All right. So this large sticker I thought would be perfect right here on this side. And I love this Do Your Best sticker. I'm gonna pull it up, make sure it's straight. We can line it up with this line here, which is fine. I just want it to be straight. Do your best. All right. So to me, that looks so cute, and it really sets the tone for our spread. And then, of course, I have layered so many stickers. I'm seeing one that's crooked, so we're gonna come here. We're gonna put this sticker right here for Tuesday, and add this on it. Okay. Checklist for Monday. Gonna put it here. So I just really wanted to concentrate on all the greens and the pinks. All right. So this is interesting because, nope, let's see. Gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with this. I think I'm gonna move that sticker a little bit further over into Monday, and that'll take care of it. So, and I just tore this sticker that I'm trying to put down here. It's a colorful box, and I tore the very corner of the colorful box off. All right, so I think this is gonna be so cute. We don't want to crook it, and it's going down. It's tearing. What is going on here? All right, let's see if I can get this to work, and if not, I have more stickers, and I'll definitely just grab another set if it doesn't work out the way that I want it to, which is like this. All right, and then I have a quote that I want to put over here, but I want to cover up this box so it doesn't show through it because it's a clear quote. So, all right. While we're letting that dry, we're going to grab this undo. We're going to move this box right here just a little bit over because I don't want it to get in the way of my checklist, so I can move it over just a little bit. Shouldn't be a huge deal to have all this entire thing come up right here. Okay, we're just gonna move it over just a little bit. I really want to be able to put down this pink checklist here. So in order to do that, and what did I do with my tweezers? In order to do that, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so now we are going to be moving this. I think I want to move it more over here, kind of this way, or maybe I want to move it this way. Yes, I'm turning it because I don't want that green to be right there, and then I feel like we need more black kind of to set it off, if that makes sense. Okay. Plus this side could use a little more pink. And then we'll take the black one and we'll place the black one here. And I think that will look nice. Okay. So I'm going to try to take this "Hey, it's okay" and place it because here's my piece of torn sticker that goes right here. So we could do just a little bit of sticker surgery. And I bet you when we put it down, because it's got to come a little bit into this area because I don't want to repunch holes. That's perfect. Hey, it's okay. And this best day ever, I'm going to move it up because I think it'll look better if I moved it up to give more black on that portion of the spread. So let's move it up here. So best day ever. All right. Hopefully something great is going to happen there. It's going to make it the best day ever. All right, so we're looking good. We're looking really good. So let's see what we have for this other side. So of course, if we cluster on the left, then we must cluster on the right. So let's bring this here. Here is such a cute cluster with all of our colors of our spread. And then we have this green cluster right here. It's amazing. And I guess I'm gonna chop that off in just a second. Okay. Now what we also want to do is to come down here and to be able to have another form of a checklist, kind of mirroring the opposite side of the page. And then here I have another little cluster to go there. Now here is where I think I want to incorporate a little bit of striped washi tape. I think it will be great. We are gonna put this more like here. And then I have this cute clear sticker that says Be You. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna come here and cover that thing up right there. Okay, I'm loving that. Now I feel like I just need a little more black in this spread. Just a tiny bit more. So I need some quotes. I need some handwritten plans maybe. I'm bringing out some oldie but goodies. So I found this Simply Gilded washi tape, and it's black, but it's like black on black, and it's leopard. And I think, not quite what I was going for. Not quite. This is not quite it. Not quite it. But I did find some black stickers that I can add little places. I like this. Failing to plan is planning to fail. But I would want it more black. More black. More black. Something like this. It says love, like we love these plants. I just want to put little black pops around. So here is perhaps a mental note that we can probably layer over there. I don't know. I think the washi would have just sold it better. I don't like this. But I feel like we do need some black. More black on this side. But I don't want to block anything either. So we're not gonna put that. Let me get some stripe washi. Polka-dot washi or something.
Over it, or could it be that I'm aggravated? Why you be acting like you was the man? I'm not a fan.
So that completes the spread. So let me know in the comments below what you think about these pops of black and white polka dot washi tape. For me, it was the washi for me. All right, so if you enjoyed it, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.
Shining like a diamond. I see people watching.